Okay guys, I am back and we're gonna finish or hopefully we can finish what we want, what we're working on. Oh goodness, I'm still waiting on a phone call. Christian had to take his baby dog into the vet today. He's got a hernia near his eye. And yeah, I guess it happened a couple of years ago too, to the other eye. Poor little guy. So his roommate called him and said, hey, it happened again. So yeah. All right, so while not perfect, still adorable, I think. Okay, so let's get this one glued on, and we're gonna have to, oh, I didn't even glue the back on. That's how crazy your girl is today. Hold on, I gotta grab those pieces real quick. Actually, I'll just do these because they are quick and of the same sort here. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll tell you. This project, while fun, has been kind of a messed up journey, hasn't it? It seems like I started it over a week ago and yeah, here we are. Anyway, so yeah, this will probably be, I guess it'll be as long as it needs to be. Yeah. Anywho, all right, let's get these glued on. I didn't even get the back glued on. I meant to do that too, but how it is when you're cooking dinner, doing laundry, waiting on a call, you know, the crazy life stuff. Anywho'sin, yeah, I am kind of struggling with the challenge, guys, not gonna lie. I don't have a third idea. Like, I've been struggling with creativity as far as the challenge goes. So I think in the next couple of videos for the challenge, we're just gonna do some ephemera, and we'll wait for it to, like, if we decide we want another pocket down the road here, we will definitely add one. This year's challenge just seems kind of like a challenge for me, and I don't mean that negatively. It just you know, it just seems like it just keeps coming up blank in my creativity box or my brain. So yeah, it's always a work in progress, isn't it? What I need to do is throughout the year, when I see really cool stuff I think it would look good in that challenge, just like make one and put it like in a challenge box. That would probably help me out quite a bit, because you know, you see things that you like and then your brain gets going, but by the time, you know, I see it like in February, by the time July hits, you know, I can't remember it, or, you know, I think all of our brains do that sometimes, huh? Mine does. Okay, let's glue this one on, and then we'll let this one sit, and we'll go back to the other one, because the other one's, this one's gonna take a minute to get set up. Oh, and this one's shorter on the cover, but I don't know, it is what it is, right? Or maybe it's just off a little bit that way. Okay, well. Gracie, I think Hazel's out front. I can hear her like barking down the hill. What? I can hear her like out here. Okay, let's go back to this one for a minute. Okay, so what my thought was, and again, you guys didn't get to hear that the other day.
She was right out front.
Okay, well, she wasn't a minute ago, so. All right. And I'm gonna have to, this one's gonna be a challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna have to set my thing here. Oh, the other side I was gonna use. See how far down I want it. I don't want them down that far. See what that looks like. Oh, a little further down probably. Okay, and we're gonna have to kind of just guess at what the middle is. Okay, and you could, if you're emulating this, you could, and I'm ballparking the middle. I might be off a little bit here, a little bit there, but nothing's ever perfect, is it? You could use reinforcers on these if you want to do that. And like I said, I'm probably off. I mean, it would probably be better if you measured it out, but I don't really have the energy or the time to do that tonight, so we're just gonna do what I usually do and just kind of do an educated thing here. Oh, and that's not quite, well, see if I line it up, maybe it would be. I might have to come down quite a bit on that. That's okay. Maybe by the time we get our string in there, it'll be better. Because I'm guessing it'll kind of shift as we go anyways. All right, so I was hoping to maybe use some scrap. But I don't know if I have any dark. Or, yeah, I don't know. Let me see what I got over here. I was thinking that I had some like maroons or something. Like a pale pink. Not quite what I'm going for. Just when you think you have everything you need, right? A little cream. I don't know, guys. Can you go get your dog, honey? She's barking like crazy.
I'm trying to do my homework.
You what?
I'm trying to do my homework.
I know. I'm trying to film a video. Little stinker won't be quiet. Well, guys, I don't know. Let's see. That seems a little big. All right. Well. All right, let me pause you for a minute since it seems to be taking me a little bit longer than I anticipated. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just decided on jute. It's regular old jute cord. I no longer open it all the way though, because if I leave it out, it's like my cats can smell it. It's kind of like Amy's cat loves like cellophane, like he licks it. My cats smell jute and they just run to it, and I haven't figured out why yet. Aren't cats the funniest creatures in the world? Anyways. All right. Just cut that off. And we'll tie it shut. Oh my goodness. I love this. I don't hate that the strings are all curly either. I think it kind of lends to the fall thing. Oh my goodness, I actually really love how that turned out. I was even thinking maybe to finish it off, we will put a word or something down here. Let me see. I'm gonna put in there, just breathe. All right, so throw just a tiny bit of ink around the edges. I forget sometimes how low I can go. Yeah, okay, a little bit of ink. And then we'll call that one good. This other one, it'll take just a little bit longer on it because we're gonna do some stuff against the spine, I think. Oh, and there goes the other dog. Gosh darn it. I'm just gonna have to let them all in. Ooh, almost put it upside down. And I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. That would be the pepper in dinner. Yeah. All right, so that is this one. How stinking cute is that? And you really, I mean, so it's together down here, right? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, because that one's, yeah. Oh my goodness, I love it. So yeah, this one, I was going to maybe put, let's see, where's that large piece of satin I had a minute ago? Still seems like a little bit big, doesn't it? Like it, but it's too big. We don't really have to do a closure on this one because it's already pretty much like that. I think it's already. I have some of this. I kind of like that. Is it too wide though? Does not seem to be. Okay. So when I use ribbon, I always burnish the edges, so it stops it from fraying. Okay, so let's, oh, gross. Oh gosh, remember earlier? Well, it's a good thing I saw it now, not later, right? Ew. All right, I'm gonna have to just pitch this bottle, I think. We don't want a huge mess. Oh yeah, there is a huge mess already all over the back side of my crafting table. All right, well, guess what I'm doing once the video's over? Cleaning up Fabri-Tac. Isn't that lovely? Ugh. We all know how great cleaning up Fabri-Tac is. Hindsight, I probably should have cut that before so that when I burnish this end, you don't catch paper on fire, huh? That probably would have been a smart plan. Okay. Ew, 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 ew. capping that just yet because I'm gonna pitch the bottle. Yeah, don't want it that tight. Okay, another paper towel is in order. This glue off. Okay, so then I'm going to show you another tool that I keep handy. It's a glue eraser. I find mine at the Dollar Tree, but they last forever, so I can't tell you if they even still have them, but I got it a couple years ago at the dollar store down the crafting section. Oh, that bottle's making noise. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love these little guys. Even though they're a little helter-skelter, right? I keep saying that, but that's probably not really a good one to be saying, huh? Oh, I love them. Oh boy, do I like these a whole lot. All right, while we're talking, I'm gonna just dab up that other glue because it would I would probably forget about it once the video's done. All right, so yeah, there we go. Let me get the third one, and I know the fourth one, I think I'm actually just gonna save that one for another project. And I still haven't found the fabric I want to finish off on this. So we'll just leave it the way it is for now, or it might just stay that way forever. Don't know. All right, so these are the 3 that we got completed out of the 4 that we were thinking. So yeah, there we go, guys. Thank you for joining me on this little hinge journey. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. And we will just talk to you soon. Bye, guys.